So this drama yesterday with the local football referees forgetting that there are games in the Red Stripe Premier League. It's an upgrade on the regular, calling in sick or having an emergency. The new thing now is we forget about the game. But of course, the real reason for the forgetfulness is money. The referees been asking about their outstanding monies from before the start of the season, and with no good argument forthcoming, the referees decided to lose the memory. With at least one game, the clash between Tivoli and Waterhouse falling victim, which left disgruntled fans demanding back their money. And look, between the PLC and the JFF, we know things tough, but the games cannot go on without the referees. And it's not like it's $2 or $3 billion them owe. 1 or 2 less overseas trips for the parish presidents, and the referees' money could have been paid. We understand that another commitment date was given for the payment of the rest of the money. Make we see how that go. Or if the referees will need to have another bout of forgetfulness. And speaking of which, what may I talk about a while ago? Remember, what is my name? The referee, this is...